This 2026 KZ Connect SE 301 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, smoke detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, awning, TV, leveling jacks, TV antenna, oven, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect SE 301 BHK is 6,780 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.